grandma and grandpa do something, man, it means like you get up and put their feet up and ask them if they need help getting the newspaper or some coffee. But like out here that I've been seeing, there's so much elderly, and that's just age too. Anybody that's out there. I mean, you got this bad weather coming with rain, and then on top of the freeze coming behind the rain, you can only imagine someone's fingertips or their toes or their part of their body or their self being out there freezing. I mean, you got like, you want to be a stand-up citizen, model American, and you go out there and the kindness of your heart, and you live on prayers, and you got people praying on hell that it would warm the people up on the out there on the streets. And you got people out here. I've seen army ants build and go into their thing that they build, and they go in and they work as a community. We are all. I mean, you want to build like an empire for our state of Portland. You got everybody working in together. I mean, you know, I pray like hell every day. But like settling with my stomach, I can't even imagine. The weather blows in, the rain, the freezing, the cold, the elderly out there, man, there's solutions to everything. I mean, you make an outreach and a breakthrough. When somebody does something good, another person does it. When someone's doing something they like, or there's a new thing on the market they want to buy, everybody wants to buy it because they think it's cool. It's like biting and going fishing and fishing for the best. You know, we're bad. We're a pretty bad nation here. But everybody, you know, we're a state of Portland. I mean, common sense. I mean, why don't you ask some of the people and bring them up off the street and ask them how they feel and what they're going through? I mean, the emotions, I can't even imagine what one person's thinking when they hear about a killing down the road, or someone walks up and says, hey, man, you're my savior for feeding me and putting some food on my ribs. But being a savior, who is their savior? When they're out there freezing, or someone to call upon, when all they're thinking is when to get through the winter, and I have a life to live. I'm worth living. But it's not a fight and battle. It's not, oh, you're not paying people to go out there and learn survival when they're elderly out there, any age out there. I mean, this is ridiculous. There's enough people in this community, everybody working together and everybody all at once, working in. And I mean, I've seen the army ants. There's a lot of human in this state of Portland that reach out, and I've seen empty places, ongoing on things that can be helped with and brought to attention and built and brought up and built the structure and something, a solid ground to stand on. Man, pop a piss in when you ain't got nothing, no gratitude or any lenient leadership, gratitude.
Thank you.
So for a breakthrough is like the kindness of your heart and prayers. Man, I believe in prayers. Thank you.